Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to the channel, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, do well to follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates we will be posting out there for you guys. I will make sure to put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section and follow the Telegram. Also, guys, when you subscribe, click on the bell notification so that once I drop an update, instantly you would get the updates. Instantly, you will not miss out on any updates. Subscribe and click on the bell notification. So let's see what we will be expecting for this week on our GBPUSD. At first, we are going to start from the higher time frame, which is from our monthly time frame. We would analyze it down to our 1 hour time frame in order for us to fully understand what GBP USD will be doing for us this week. So let's start with the trend right here. We are going to look at our main trend and our previous trend. Then we are also going to look at our current trend. So we would look at the previous trend first. Then we would look at our main trend second, and we are going to look at our current trend third. The market is doing. So let's start with the previous trend. This here is our previous trend, and we can clearly see that this is a downtrend move. When the market tends to give us three movements, it's either it is trending to the upside, or it is trending downward, or literally market is ranging. That is exactly what market does. It's either going upward, coming downward, or literally ranging. So previously we were in a downtrend move. So when you go to your probably daily time frame and your forward time frame, you will see this movement very clear. You will see a series of lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high. So market has been dropping. This was the year 2021 and 2022, right? Within this period, markets dropped. Eventually, market now corrected itself. And guess what we are doing right here? We are now in an uptrend move. Market is now trending upward. So let's see it this way. This is our high. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. You can see it that took out this previous high. This is our higher low. So what is market doing now? Market wants to go ahead and give us a new higher high. So if you are to take a buy here and you hold this position from till market give us a new higher high, that will be about 700 pips movements you will grab. So you will be grabbing about more than 700 pips movement. So this is for position traders. This is for traders that would want to hold their position for the next 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, even 6 months. So if you're a long-term trader, right, you would want to be going long on your GU, which is your GBPUSD, as in the long run, for the next 3 to 6 months, or even 7 months, the next 3 to 6 months, and even 7 months, market should give us a bullish move and we take out this previous high. As you can see, this is our current higher high level. So market has now given us a pullback. So we are now anticipating for a new higher high that will go ahead and take out this previous high. So swing position traders, this is a perfect time and perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and go long. Take your buy and hold your position for the long term. Now let's roll down to the day weekly time frame, which is mostly used by swing traders. What is also our trend here? We can clearly see it here also. We are in an uptrend move. Market is trending to the upside. But if you take a look at this here, market was trending down. Yeah. This is just a pullback level. Market was trending down, giving a pullback. But now market has not corrected itself and we will be expecting that bullish move upward. I will explain. Now this is it here. For quick analysis, I'll just do this like this. If this is the high, and this is the higher low, this is the higher high, and here is the higher low. This is also the higher high. Here is the higher higher low, right? Now, with such a movement, you should be expecting something next again, which is a new higher high. So you should be expecting market to go ahead and give us a new higher high. That means market to go bullish and take out this previous high. So a new higher high is what we are currently expecting and anticipating for on our GU. So we will be expecting it to push up to say take out this. So for swing traders, traders that would like to hold their position for a couple of weeks, I'll say weeks by the way, not days, couple of days, even weeks, even months, going to months, traders may want to hold their trade for the next 2 months, which is absolutely fine. You can still go ahead and hop in on your buy as markets will still continue to push up till it eventually form a new high, thereby taking out this previous high. So remember, monthly time frame says we are going bullish. Weekly time frame also says we are anticipating a bullish move and we will be going bullish. Now, take a look at it. At first, within this pullback level, market has been dropping, giving a series of lower low and lower high. But now, market is now correcting itself. So we've gotten this false rejection. Market pushed up, market drop again. It failed to give a new low, right? It failed to give a new low, thereby serving as a rejection, second rejection, and market eventually push up. And what can you see here? This is a double bottom. We all know what double bottom is, a reversal pattern. So market is no longer dropping again. Market has now reversed and we would now start expecting to push further up. So swing traders, you should be anticipating for a buy. You should be going in for the buy. So monthly time frame says buy, weekly time frame says buy. Let's see what the daily time frame is currently saying. So this is our daily time frame. This was the previous movement right here. This was the previous movement. This was the previous trend. And you can see the previous movement and the previous trend. What? Right? This is a downtrend move. Remember, it is previous. This is the downtrend move. This is previous. But right now, this is our current movement and this is the current trend. And the current trend says what? Uptrend move. Now, this is it here. In case you don't understand, this is our first high on GU. This is our higher low. This is also an new higher high. You can see that this higher high here took out this previous high here. And here comes the higher low, right? What is this also? A new higher high. You can see that this new higher high took out this previous high, right? And now here an higher low is currently forming. Once the higher low forms, another higher high would likely be. So now can you now see it right here? Monthly time frame says we are going bullish. Weekly time frame says we are going bullish. Daily time frame says we are also going bullish. So for position traders, swing traders, and day traders, you should be going bullish on GU. By the way, there is strong bias movement to the upside. So by the way, I still see this pullback currently playing. I don't believe it is over, but if in case it is over, right? If in case it is over, it will most likely going to push up from here. If in case it is over, right, it will most likely going to push up from here. If it is not over, it will likely drop one more time and then push up. So above all, what we should be watching out for, what we should be looking out for on GU is a buy setup. So we will only be looking into take the buy once we get the buy setup. Remember, it is a buy setup we are actually looking and is what we are actually watching out for. So this is one of the reasons why I want you guys to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet, so you will not miss out on any updates. I'll make sure I'll be giving you guys back-to-back updates, right? Once I drop an update instantly, you will get that update. Once I drop an update instantly, immediately you will get that update. So in order for you not to miss out on any single update, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification, right? You can also make your comments, guys, and also like this video as YouTube will most likely going to recommend it to other people. And also follow our Telegram channel, guys. I will put a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section because there I tend to put one or two updates for you guys there, so you will not miss out on any single update. So follow the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comments section. Thank you very much.